car. The new Toyota RAV4 2025 is coming. What to expect from the next-gen SUV king by ASHRAF Omar, April 2025. The wait is almost over. Toyota has officially confirmed that the highly anticipated 2025 Toyota RAV4 is on its way, and it's bringing a fresh new look, updated tech, and even more power under the hood. As one of the best-selling SUVs globally, the RAV4 has always set the benchmark for performance, reliability, and value. Now, the 2025 model is poised to raise the bar even higher. Whether you're a long-time RAV4 fan or simply shopping for your next compact SUV, here's what you need to know about the next-generation RAV4, inside, outside, and under the hood. Wrench redesigned exterior, sharper, bolder, and more modern. The 2025 RAV4 arrives with a sleeker, more aggressive design that blends rugged capability with urban sophistication. Toyota is expected to offer sharper LED headlights, a more sculpted front grille, and redesigned alloy wheels, giving the vehicle a more futuristic and commanding road presence. Spy shots and early renders suggest a more aerodynamic silhouette, wider stance, and off-road ready trims that feature chunkier tires, roof rails, and skid plates. It's clear Toyota wants this RAV4 to be as comfortable in the city as it is on a mountain trail. Light bulb technology upgrade. Smarter than ever. The 2025 RAV4 isn't just about looks. It's smarter, too. Expect the latest version of Toyota's infotainment system with a larger 12.3-inch touchscreen, improved voice recognition, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and over-the-air updates. Higher trims will likely come equipped with a digital driver display, 360-degree camera system, and enhanced navigation AI that learns your driving habits. Safety also gets a boost with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, which includes advanced adaptive cruise control, lane tracing assist, pre-collision system with pedestrian and cyclist detection, road sign recognition, emergency driving stop system, battery power and performance. More hybrid power, more efficiency under the hood. The 2025 RAV4 is expected to offer a revised powertrain lineup, including an even more efficient hybrid and plug-in hybrid (PHEV) variant. Rumors suggest a new hybrid engine with improved fuel economy, possibly over 42 mpg combined, as well as a second-generation RAV4 Prime that delivers up to 100 mpg and 40+ miles of electric-only range. AWD will be available on most trims. And Toyota may introduce a performance-tuned hybrid for those who want a little more thrill with their utility. Couch and lamp interior comfort. Premium feel with practical touches inside. The new RAV4 is expected to feature higher quality materials, improved sound insulation, and more cabin space, especially in the rear seats and cargo area. Optional features may include heated and ventilated front and rear seats, panoramic sunroof, wireless phone charging, ambient lighting, customizable drive modes for comfort, eco, and sport. Calendar release date and price. Toyota hasn't confirmed an exact release date, but the 2025 RAV4 is expected to debut in late summer or early fall 2025, with pre-orders likely opening a few months earlier. Pricing will start around $30,000 for the base model, with fully loaded trims like the RAV4 Prime expected to go up to $48,000 plus depending on options. Checkered flag. Final thoughts. The King returns. The Toyota RAV4 2025 looks ready to continue its reign as the top dog in the compact SUV world, with a striking new design, smarter features, and cleaner, More powerful hybrid options. It's built for the next generation of drivers who want efficiency, adventure, and tech in one sleek package. If you're thinking about upgrading your ride, you might want to hold out just a bit longer, because this RAV4 could be worth the wait.